will finish the packing here. For all the packings, we will get the front tire off and the front handlebar off so that we can minimize the packing size to load more for a container. Regarding to the container, for a 20 feet container, we can load like 50 pieces per container and like 100 pieces for the 40 high cube container.
Now you can see our workers are taking the front handlebar off. And then taking the front tire off. Wrap together with the front shock. Then we have foam protection for the handlebar and for the important electronic part. Then pack into our carton box. Then all these products are finished packing and waiting for loading. These are the whole process of the packing. We will add production line to fasten our production time and ship the containers as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time.